Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Riley, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, and it is 4 in line, and it's for ages 3 and up. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you exactly what it looks like. So let me go ahead and cut these zip ties off. We're going to set this up like this. You're just going to slide this in right over this. Let's try this way. So you slide that in just like so. And then afterwards, you're going to undo this right here. Make sure that this little line piece is facing this way, because that's how it's going to actually get smoothly on there. And then you're going to do the same thing. And then you're going to stick this mesh piece over this right here. And this is what's going to catch like all the extra pieces when they fall. I'm going to put it on. That's actually too thick, so I'm just going to put it on like so. And then on this side as well. So when you sit there and you pull this right here, they're all going to fall on this side. So I did that side, and then this side has the same thing. You just pull, and then they're all going to fall, and they're like so, and then you'll just get whatever color you are and try to get 4 in a row. Let me go ahead and see what my kids think about it.
Go. Brandon, no. One to the far left. Nope. Yeah.
No! You want to go run and get some milk?
No.
For your kids?
Go! I think this is gonna take... What? Which one?
Just play. Uh-oh.
Son of a gun! I won. You didn't see that.
The cards are taken upside down.
Let me go again.
There's a 0 right on it.
Just get out of there.
They're blue.
I won.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.